Welcome back, Frac Crew. It's Frac Daddy Barbecue. You know what that means? It's officially a Frac Daddy Friday. Guys, we've been absent for 2 weeks. Sorry for the delay in videos, but life goes on, and I'm glad you're still here to support me. So, guys, on today's video, we're going to be doing something special. We're going to be doing a green chili chicken pizza with homemade pizza dough. We're going to be cooking it on that Ooni Pizza Pro of temperatures over 700 degrees. And guys, this pizza is going to cook super quick, like in 1 minute and 30 seconds. So guys, if you want to see how this pizza is done, you need to stick around. Everything's going to be in our description box, so you can go check it out and see how we did this dough. So let me show you how we make our pizza dough. Okay guys, so let me show you my dough, how it turned out. Funny story about this dough is we tried to do this about 2 days ago, and we started having a really bad rainstorm. So this has been what they would call a cold fermentation for over 48 hours. I've been doing my research, and they say that you can do up to 72 hours, so the dough is still good. Now, we're going to give you like a little montage, little step-by-step on how we did this dough. And then when you come back, we're going to have our pizza dough made, because, you know, I'm not the best at shaping my pizza crust. So, we'll show you that. Alright y'all, so as you can see, this is not a circular pizza, but you know what? Pizza doesn't have to be circular to eat it. They have square pizzas. It's like a Brooklyn style, or like, you know, Little Caesar's square thick crust pizza. So anyways guys, we're going to be using this awesome 505 Southwestern sauce, which is killer on enchiladas. So here I have some in a bowl. We're going to put some down, just spread it out. Now, this is our first time that we have ever done this, right, babe? Oh, yeah. I mean, what can go wrong with this? I mean, this is like a green chili overload pizza, which there is no such thing. So we're going to put this down. All right, we're going to come on with some of our smoked chicken that I did in my Green Mountain Grill, which that thing is awesome. We're going to come back with some of our Tex-Mex cheese we're going to put on top of this, because this is just awesome for enchiladas. I think we're going to get a little bit more. What do you think?
Oh yeah, more cheese please.
So now we're going to go outside. We're going to check to see what temperature our pizza oven's up to. But I tell you what, this is basically like an enchilada on steroids. Look at that, guys. Our pizza oven is at 800 plus degrees. Okay guys, so this is my first time using this barbecue charcoal, which they sent to me to try this out. And I tell you what, we used harder charcoal in our last video when we did this, but I tell you what guys, this freaking charcoal is screaming hot, and it's from recycled eucalyptus trees. So I am excited to see how this does on our pizza. All right, y'all, first attempt, let's put her in.
Ooh, nice and easy.
There we go.
Now, time to cook.
Alright, y'all, as you can see, this pizza turned out better than our first pizza we have attempted to make in our previous video. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this up into pizza slices, we're gonna try it, and then we're gonna top it with some of this Lone Star bee honey, which I think will be killer on this pizza. Look at this beautiful looking pizza. All right. You know, this honestly tastes like I'm eating green chili chicken enchiladas from home, and then that honey, oh my goodness. It's like kind of that sweet and salty, sweet heat. Guys, this is absolutely phenomenal. Guys, if you haven't tried Lone Star Bee Company, their honey, I'll leave a link for them. If you haven't tried also that 505 Southwestern sauce, you really need to get you some. And I recommend you try this pizza recipe. So guys, until next time, we appreciate you watching Frac Daddy Barbecue, and we'll see you next time.